Folks, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a square equal in area to a given rectangle. And the first thing to do is to draw the rectangle A, B, C, and D. Now after doing that, the next step is to extend AB at B. So I will extend AB to the right at B, so that it will be horizontal and extended to B. Now, with center B and radius BC, draw an arc to touch AB extended at E. So center B and radius BC. So you can see our radius is now BC. I'll draw an arc to touch AB extended at E. So now this is our new point E. Now the next step is with centers B and radius BC. Okay, now you erect a semicircle on AE. So this is AE. I will erect a semicircle on it. So this is the procedure to erect a semicircle. You just bisect the line first. So that's what I'm doing here. And you draw the perpendicular bisector. So that point where the perpendicular bisector crosses the line is the midpoint, and which is also the center of the semicircle. So you can see that it actually bisects this line. So this is a semicircle. So good, now we have the semicircle. Then finally we are going to extend BC to touch it at F. So now when we extend BC to touch this semicircle at F, so let's call this point F. Now this BF will be the length of the side of the square. So all we need to do is we'll just count this, we'll just copy that length, BF, because the square has all the sides equal. So I'm going to use that BF to cut the horizontal for the base of the square. You're going to cut above here, then you are going to intersect it at F, and then you thicken your lines to connect your points to get your square. So this is a square H, so this is G. So this is how to draw a square equal in area to a given rectangle.